What's going on, you filthy animals? Gabe here with Review Dork, and it's Friday. Fridays are slow. Fridays are when retail traders decide, hey, you know what? I need to start taking medication for my heart because what happened Monday through Thursday just gave me severe anxiety. So what do? They close out their positions, and it's the weekend. It's time for Coke and hookers re-energized for Monday. If you are bullish on a stock such as LUCID, you hold. If you're bullish on blue chips like AMD, Tesla, etc., you hold. But in this game, especially the game retail traders play, we don't like holding. Why? Because at any point you could get some bad news and then you're stuck holding the bag, all right? So just remember that, especially over the weekend. Anything can happen. In fact, with LUCID, they could go ahead and deliver a car and the damn thing explodes. What do you think is going to happen in LUCID on Monday? All right, bad analogy. Let's go ahead and talk about METX. This was my recommendation for yesterday, and it is still running. You guys want some confirmation bias. Let's give it to you. So we currently have the trend channel here. Mind you guys, I am on the 1 minute on the intraday. Now, what's happened here? We smacked and we passed this historical point of resistance, and it acted as support for some time, a few minutes, and then we broke right through. But what we're seeing here is we're finding support at the 50 EMA. So guys, why is the 50 EMA so important? Well, it's a faster moving average, and we actually crossed above the 200 EMA. If you like crayons, then you're going to like the color purple, because that's what we have here at the 200 EMA. Also, keep in mind, we have the volume weighted average price, and we're riding above that. This is a good thing. All right, so let's go ahead and look at empirical data here, because where did I get this point? Did I just pull it out of my ass like some Houdini magic trick David Copperfield messed with? I don't know. Applejacks, do you know another magician that people might be interested in?
I don't know any of the names of magicians.
Yeah, I guess you live a dull life. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at where we're getting these historical points of resistance. Well, we have the previous trading days, and then we could go as far back as the previous run-up, and we could see that it was acting as resistance before it broke through as support. Now we see 95 cents here. Should we break through this resistance here at 69 cents, 70 cents and hold, I could see 95 cents being something that happens. And from there, you know, I know a lot of you guys are absolutely bullish, and you're saying to yourself, $3! We want $3! Okay, well, yeah, I want $3 too. That's why I'm just gonna hold this. But now let's go ahead and talk about LUCID here, because with LUCID, well, I am extremely bullish with LUCID. I've printed with LUCID. I've got $41 strike options on LUCID expiring in January, and I do not do O-Day options, guys. That's just gambling. Yeah, you make a lot of money, but hey, I've made a lot of money. Why risk it? If you're green on your portfolio, don't risk it on some just fantasy of waking up tomorrow and you're fucking Warren Buffett. No, don't risk that. Don't put that much pressure on your portfolio. Tesla. Where's my plaid? You're still in service. Speaking of Tesla, Tesla is absolutely running. They're absolutely killing it. So if you want to go ahead and get some far out dated options and maybe have the strike at or about near to where it's currently trading, you might make some money. Not financial advice. None of this is financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only, you son of a bitch. All right, so let's go ahead and look at what's happening with LUCID. We got a trend channel here. As you guys can see, we also have support, and we got this wedge. Now, what's happening? Well, we broke below both the 50 and 200 EMA. You guys like colors, you like crayons? Well, that's the 50 and 200 EMA. What I would like to see is LUCID make a run back above the moving averages and then to the VWAP. And that's what you guys see here in orange. We got the VWAP. And you know, usually when you see a ticker or an equity drop below VWAP, you're going to see institutions come in and say, hey, let's buy it. It's a bargain. Below VWAP, usually a bargain. Now let's go ahead and look what it's done historically. Now we got some retracement going on here, and it's crazy because I had a trend line already plotted, but then when we did the Fibonacci retracement, we find that this area here at 35.59 is acting as support. Previously, resistance. We would have to go ahead and zoom out, and I'll show you guys. We get some more data points here, and you can see again acting as resistance, currently acting as support. And then from there, we had a major move to the upside. And guys, this was just based on pure speculation. Just, hey, we got a SPAC and we have a car we haven't seen yet. That shit sounds right. Let's go ahead and run it up. And that's exactly what happened. But now we have a car with 520-mile range, and you're taking the moniker of Tesla killer? You're breaking my heart, dog. You're breaking my heart. I have a Plaid S, the fastest production car on earth. And let me tell you guys, the acceleration is better than sex. But what good is that when you do an OTA update and it turns into a 5,000-pound paperweight? It's useless. I'm still waiting, Tesla. Notify me on my phone. It's right there. I'm waiting. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. This is Gabe. I'm signing out. Peace.